Please subscribe, and click the notification bell to see the latest properties for sale in Jamaica. In this video, we highlight an affordable piece of farmland that is sure to get the attention of farmers across the island. Take a look at this lovely area of land. Covering 10.79 acres, this lot sits on the border of Trelawny and Saint Ann. It is neatly nestled in a scenic area, known as Belmont, and can be relatively easily accessed via a van or a truck. The property boasts a 3-bedroom house and 3 tanks, which can be very useful for farming. A section of the land is currently being used to cultivate yam. Notably, a large portion of the property is relatively flat. The asking price for this piece of land is 14 million Jamaican dollars. The owner is highly motivated and will not refuse any reasonable offers. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Call the number that is being displayed throughout the video to make an appointment. Also, please remember to subscribe, click the notification bell, and share these properties with family and friends.